Hello there, I'm Sophie Jury from Ladies That Plan and creator of the Ultimate Diary Planner. Today I have this little beauty to show you, ta-da, which is rather lovely, as you can see. It feels as nice as it looks. This is the brand new Ultimate Year Planner that I have created for those of you who want something like a brain storage container, really. It's a bit like the Minerva Notebook, but it's tying in with the week spreads, which I had so many requests for. These are now available on Amazon straight away, and they're undated and designed for you to kind of dip in and dip out, although they can obviously be used however you wish. So for some people, you might want to use this to map out your whole year and use it as a day-to-day planner, which will work just fine. For others of you, like me, would use it more for planning and strategy and how you're going to structure launches or social media campaigns, stuff like that, and you'll see why in a second. So first of all, it's a nice quality hardback notebook. We have got an ivory paper in here. I know that for some people, dyslexics particularly, I have been told that the ivory can make it a little bit easier on the eyes, and some people much prefer that. So some of the planners I do are in white, and this one is in ivory. So we start off with an index, and this is a really handy tool for helping you remember where you wrote stuff down. And after that we go straight into the 12-month spread, which is, now it could be 12 months, it could be 12 weeks. You could use it for however you wanted to use that. That's worth saying that. For me, I would normally use it for 12 months, but equally 12 weeks could work just as well. So you'll see there's these little blank boxes at the top. That's for you to write in what it is that you're doing. So it could be this is 2019 or 2020. It could be this is my launch plan for a specific area of the business. It could be this is my marketing plan for a specific area of a business, or whatever you wanted to use it for. It could be birthdays, and you could just write in people's birthdays. You literally can use it how you want, which is great. And there are multiple of these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages like that, so you've got lots of scope to add in lots of different ones there. We then go into the 52 weeks, so again particularly brilliant for marketing. So if you for example were blogging every week, or you wanted to do a different social media subject each week, you could map out your whole 52 weeks in these pages. And again, we've got a few copies of these pages to make it a little bit easier for you, so you've got more than one for doing maybe more than one business, more than one subject, more than one thing you want to focus on. Then we move into the month planners. So these are laid out with 7 boxes, and the idea that you would go Monday to Sunday, but it doesn't have to be that way. So for example, I will use these for planning things like 30-day challenges, where I'll map out all the things I potentially need to talk about in the notes, and I'll start from day 1 to day 7. And so that could potentially be a Monday. I could start my challenge on a Monday, or it could be that I'm going to start it on the 1st of the month and the days are irrelevant. So I could plan out what I'm going to do each day in there, and then there'll be a few pages, a few of these boxes at the bottom here once you get to 30, 31, where you'll have a little bit of space there as well where you can put in some notes. For others of you, you would be using it as an actual day-by-day planner for your month. This is my January for 2020 or 19, and this is what I'm going to do on day 1, day 2, day 3, etc. And then you might start on the 28th of the month and go through, or whatever, or however it works for you. Again, it's blank enough that you can use it for what you wish, and again, you've got the box at the top to write down what that is, and then you can refer to that in the index once you've done it. So we've got lots of those. There's enough for over a whole year of planning those. So you could either plan a different 30-day challenge for every month, or you could just plan your months out. Then very simply we get into the week planners. These are really popular with my followers in that they kind of give you everything that you need and enough space to really get to grips with planning out your week in detail. So we start at 5 in the morning, we finish at 11 o'clock at night, which covers a lot of people's jobs and the way people work. Obviously shift work is going to be a bit tweaky, so you might need to change that. And then you've got the blocks there from Monday through to Sunday. Every day is the same size, so no matter what business days are your busiest, you can fit it all into there and you can just plan out your whole week. Now there are 52 of those spreads, so again it will cover your whole year. And then at the end of the book we go into a notes section, which is blank on one side and lined on the other, and then there's lots of pages for notes there for you as well. Every page is numbered, so that again you can come back to the beginning and you can pop it into the index and you can find it really easily later. So if you were using the month sections, for example, to plan out a specific 30-day challenge, then you would say on page 26, that would then go in your index, that's my specific 30-day challenge in there, and then you can just easily go and find it. So this is something that's a really exciting product. It's really nice to use, it's a lovely colour, it's a great size. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit less colourful than the Ultimate Diary Planner, undated, something that you can keep coming back to, or that you could use as a day-to-day planner for your next year, this is a really nice alternative for that. You can find these on Amazon, so just click the link to find out, to buy your copy, because I've just told you everything that's inside it. And again, worth mentioning the Ladies That Plan Facebook group, because if you've got a question about it, then you can ask in there, or you can get in touch, or you could maybe share some of your tips if you start using it and you think it's great. So I'll catch you on another video very soon. Bye bye.